Hello, hello, hello. Today I have Devi Kriti with me as a part of 3Q series. She's a certified yoga trainer, she's an anchor, she's a content creator. She has done 300 hours of yoga teacher training course. Hi Kriti, how are you?
Hi Raj, how are you? I'm
Good,
so
good, good.
good.
Good. So, as a part of 3Q series, three quick questions for you. First, please tell us about your journey.
Raj, actually, when I was younger, I was super excited and super fascinated about yoga because I was very flexible. Any tough pose I used to do very nicely. And later, somehow and somewhere, I lost it. So a few years back, I decided to get back all again. So the flexibility, the strength, and all. So I started doing yoga, and then I got my flexibility back. I got my strength back. So then I thought like, okay, this yoga is not about just flexibility, not just strength and health. It's something more than that. So to learn that, I did a course on yoga. So after doing that course and after working as an assistant trainer under my guru, then I came to know that I need to spread awareness regarding yoga to everybody because I'm feeling the experience like regarding health, regarding flexibility, regarding everything. So I just wanted to help people understand the importance of yoga and I just want to spread it. So that's why I started learning yoga. I started doing course on it and I started taking classes to everybody and I'm happy.
Good, good, very good, amazing, amazing journey. And what does yoga mean for you?
Yoga, listen, so whenever we say yoga, no, so doing poses, everybody thinks that only. So for me, yoga is like self-awareness and being conscious. And self-awareness here means when you do pranayama or when you do a pose or asana, so always like you don't rush to do it. When doing pranayama, you just slowly breathe in, breathe out. While doing breathe in, breathe out also, you just focus on your breath going, how it is going, coming inside, how it is going outside while doing a pose also. So it's all about the consciousness.
And what would be your suggestion or advice for beginners?
If you have just 15 to 20 minutes, just do it. It is more than enough. Start with a little walk and then little stretches like warm up and then do sun salutations. It takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes. Do a 10 sets of sun salutations. It's more than enough. And then do pranayama and you're done with yoga. So it's a very simple, no need to complex it. So if you have any doubts or if you don't know anything what to do, so you just you have access to YouTube channels, right? So I personally like 2 to 3 channels on YouTube. It's Yog Bela, and the other channel is Charlie Flows, and the other one is mine. So I do have a own channel, Fit Life with Devi. So you can go there also. You get a very basic yoga pose.